We certainly have the weather tonight to stay inside and watch a movie.
Yes, and we've opened a new chapter on cold air.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready to go. The cold air is coming in, and it's coming in with a bang. Some gusty winds, and we've had some light rain here and there. It will drop below freezing as we go into the overnight hours. You can see the streets are wet in Fairfield after some light rain, and then after that rolls out, the winds pick up and the temperature drops. So just prepare yourself. If you'll be out late tonight, you need a thicker coat. And we're just seeing green all across southwestern Connecticut, mostly some light rain. And then as this rolls out, our temperatures will once again be dropping down into the 30s. And their skies will be clearing as we go toward morning, but we'll start to see a few more clouds mixing in as we go into the day tomorrow. But overall, a sunny day, and then turning mostly cloudy by tomorrow night. Check that out. Some more rain in the forecast early Sunday morning. You'll probably be sleeping and not even notice that it's coming through, but it will help usher in some slightly warmer air as we get ready to start the new week. Now, temperature wise, it will be very cold out there tonight. If you have some sensitive plants that are potted, you can bring them inside to protect them from the freezing temperatures overnight. And throughout the day tomorrow, highs reaching into the upper 40s, the winds not as strong, and mostly sunny skies. And then it gets milder heading into Sunday. So it is looking better after a couple of days of very chilly air. In Norwalk tonight, a low of 31 degrees, and with those winds, it will feel much colder than that. It will feel like it's in the 20s. Now, tomorrow in Weston, a high of 48 degrees, mostly sunny and cool, and once again, not as windy. In the forecast, we are going to see highs below average for the weekend. A few more clouds on Sunday, and then Monday, the sun breaks out again, 54 degrees. A lot of festivities going on, celebrating Veterans Day, and then 58 degrees also on Tuesday, and it will cool off again. Everybody's talking about the cool down for the end of next week, and look very closely. There's a few snowflake icons mixing in with the rain, so we'll be closely watching the end of next week. I'll have another look at the hyperlocal forecast coming up.